Did you know that your Miele dishwasher has an extra clean function? To get to it, you press and hold the start button, then you press the power button, and then release the power button. Keep the start button pressed for at least 4 seconds. Notice it's going into a menu. I press the arrow up key 10 times. It's then flashing a P0. P0 means extra clean deactivated. If I want to activate it, I press the start button. Notice it says P1. So it is now activated. I press the power button and the unit powers down. Now when I turn on the unit, every program is now longer, catering for that extra clean feature. I'm now in the settings menu. I press the arrow up button 11 times. Notice it flashes P0. The 0 means the extra dry function is deactivated. If I want to activate it, I need to press the start button once. Notice it'll flash P1. The extra dry feature is now activated. I press the power button, it turns the unit off. Notice when I turn the unit back on, all the wash cycles are longer, catering for that extra dry option. You can have both an extra dry option and an extra clean option.